Hi everybody, this is Angel and I am here at Porto, Portugal train station. And this is how the train station looks like here. And tomorrow we're going back to Lisbon from Porto. So this will be the train ride we will be taking. We are just here today for train station tour. Cool. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.